multifunctional camcorder with handheld stabilizer, CMOS 13MP sensor, 48.0 megapixels, 3.0-inch touchscreen, 30x digital zoom, 2.4G remote control, loop recording, motion detection, face detection, self-timer, support HDMI, external mic and Wi-Fi function output, support webcam, support external microphone, supports up to 256 GB SD card and standard tripod not include. Portable handheld stabilizer can keep the camcorder stable when recording, suitable for low-angle shooting. Wi-Fi connection function and IR night vision. Download DexTV Pro app, then connection the camcorder Wi-Fi. It can control camcorder to take recording videos, and upload or download files to your smartphone or tablet. It also has an incredible night vision, so taking video at night is still nice and clear. The photo is black and white. Buy for the camcorder, enjoy for the awesome image capturing abilities and camcorder night vision. 2.4G remote control and webcam. The video camcorder with 2.4G remote control, 360-degree wireless remote control, the longest sensing distance about 20 meters, need AAA battery, excluding battery. This 4K camera camcorder supports webcam function, support Windows 7/8/.